everyone, welcome back to Spottery YouTube channel. Yo guys, we need to change the notification sound so that it becomes a reminder when a notification comes in. So now I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound on your phone easily. Alright, now go to settings menu and then scroll down and then go to sound and vibration. Alright, you can click notification sound over here and then you can change notification sound whatever you want. Alright, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.